So hello everybody, welcome to ISE. Every year when we come to ISE we do a series of little interviews, and we're doing it today as part of the Pixel Academy brand, which is our training and our community for both Green Depot and tvONE, and I'm joined by Darren Gaffey. Darren, thanks for joining us. I wanted to grab some time, because I know you're super busy, to talk about CALICO Pro, and I think this is the fourth year we've shown CALICO Pro here?
It's actually 2 years. I know it seems like longer, but it's 2 years. That's when we launched the 2U. Last year was the 1U, and this year a new one, the 4U.
Brilliant, and we'll talk about that in a minute, but
yeah.
Because I think it's going to be a super exciting, powerful product. I wanted to talk about what we got behind us. So this booth is full of LED. Behind us we've got a screen, and that is a huge LED. That's coming from CALICO, so I think it's a hypnotizer feeding the graphics, and then we're compositing it together.
Correct. So the thing about this booth is everything is seamlessly connected and controlled by DMX console, the MA console we got behind you. And this is exciting for me, because CALICO now can be controlled by this lighting desk as well as our Hippo device. And you're right, the Hippo is providing the content that you see, which is all these different scenarios. And the CALICO is delivering all of those pixels to these LED walls, to all of the displays that you see as well.
And let's put this perspective for people at home. So we've got two CALICOs. One's got 2 outputs, one has 4 outputs. Which one's powering this booth?
Well, actually, the one with 4 outputs is running the whole booth.
Yeah, and so that is. I'm trying to do the maths. How many pixels is that? As 32 million?
Yeah, that's right. But we can have 64 million. We can add another 4 outputs if you want.
Yeah, and that's out of 2RU. So just kind of put that into perspective of what we could do. So we're probably only touching the surface.
Absolutely.
I want to pick up on, DMX control, and people probably may not have heard of DMX hugely in the AV world, but they've certainly heard about it in the live world, and it is designed it was originally designed to control lighting fixtures. So you can see we've got all the lighting around the booth and in the floor and in the ceiling. When video started happening in events, it was the lighting people who picked up the video. And when I've talked to people about this, they just think we're firing presets and source switching, but we're not, are we? We're doing much more.
Exactly, yeah. So actually the DMX console, the way that it's programmed, can pretty much do anything we want to do with CALICO. We can fire any of our commands and program that in. But the preset is easy, right? You just send one command, it's done. Anybody can do that. But we can scale windows, move windows, fire presets, control audio, control all kinds of things with the console.
And that just puts us in a new space. And I've had operators come in. So we normally, on this booth, it's people like me and Darren in our AV world. We've had cool trendy people this week going, wow. I mean, I particularly loved, and I'll make sure I get some B-roll. There's a demo where we do a carousel, and it looks like we're swapping all the layer order of the video as it twirls around. It's just like.
Well, the cool part about all of this is because CALICO is controlling all of the displays, we can put the content anywhere we want and manipulate that however we like. So if you want to move seamlessly from one screen to another screen, even though they're connected to different devices in the end, we can do that because we control all of the pixels.
And I found out last night over dinner, and we won't say who it is, but there's some competitors who are doing this sort of thing. Their latency's quite big.
Exactly, yeah.
And like we say 1 frame, typically 2 frames, so no lip sync errors. But before we finish, because we're kind of up to time, trying to keep this to 5 or 6 minutes, let's just give a preview of CALICO Pro 4RU.
Absolutely. I mean, we're showcasing it here. We're going to ship it, launch it in Q3 this year. That's when it's going to be available. So a little bit of time to wait, but projects take a long time to develop. And the difference between the 4 and the 2 and the 1 is purely I/O. So 4RU has got a lot more inputs and outputs, a lot of 4K. We have an awful lot of 4K going in and out of that product. So we can have 28 4K inputs and 16 4K outputs simultaneously. Plus on top of that, if you want, you can have 16 HD inputs as well. including all of that. So 44 inputs and up to 32 outputs if you use HD. So it's way more I/O. A lot bigger projects can be done with that product, and all for 500 watts of power.
Wow, that's green as well. Now, I'm going to do a little plug of where you can find out about the training. So just go to the tvONE website, just look for Pixel Academy, come to our place, you'll meet me and Darren in the flesh. Could be scary. If they want to find product information, where's the best place for that, Darren?
Best place is our website as well, so tvone.com. All of our products are there. 4RU isn't there right now because we're just showcasing it, but it will be very soon.
So brilliant, Darren. You're the best. Thanks
Thanks
for your
very
time.
much, Mark.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you. Great.